All right, guys, part two of the truck, the 13 Silverado, and said the mechanic, so they went ahead and picked up the bed so we can have full access to the wire harness. And what I'm looking at right here looks pretty good. I'm gonna go ahead and inspect it really good, see if I see anything, but it looks fine. I don't see any issues. There's where I pulled off the on part one, the resistor. That's the resistor right there. So, well, let me do some readings now. Let's see what we got. All right, I'm here at the fuel pump control module. I went and pulled that off. Went ahead and pulled off the connector and pins. I believe it's 6 and 7, which is this pin 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Those two pins right there go right there to the resistor, and I've got 121 ohms testing from here to that resistor, just 1 ohm high, which not much, but still. I went back and tested from the ABS connector while this was still plugged in, and I got 129. That tells me it's the distance still from there to there. So what I'm going to do now is connect this back up and test directly into the cab and see what we get. All right, guys, I went ahead and I'm back at the ABS module, plugged in to the resistor at the back, and look what we're reading. So it looks like it most likely is going to be the connectors or just bad contacts, dirty, something like that. So by unplugging and plugging, we got 120 ohms, 120.8 right now from the ABS module back to the resistor. So we're going to connect everything back and check it in. I went ahead and pulled off that connector and tested the last 4 pins there, and I got 120.6 and 121.2, I believe. So that's within specs. So I'm going to connect it back up, and then I'm going to test here at the DLC, which should give me right around 60 ohms. All right, across the DLC, we're getting right at 60.5, 60.6, which originally when this whole thing started, part one, it was around 66, I believe, or 67. So let's see what we got here. All right, started the truck, started up, no issues. I'm gonna check to see if there were any new codes that popped up since I cleared them. All right, guys, I spoke to the customer and he said that the problem did occur yesterday. So I'm having him drive the car now, and let's see if the problem reoccurs. It might not, but I have a feeling there is a bad module, possibly the BCM or the ABS module. So let's see what happens, and if there is an issue, there'll be a part 3 on this.